I bet you didn't know learning tech could be this simple. From social media to fixing your phone. Why search everywhere else when it's all here? Looking to learn how to make social accounts, earn money online, fix mobile devices, or dive into cybersecurity? You've come to the right place. At Technical King, we break down big tech topics into easy steps, all in simple language. Want to boost your online presence? Curious about real ways to earn money online, right here in Pakistan? Need to fix your phone's software or hardware yourself? Or want to stay safe with basic cybersecurity tips? I've got you covered, no tech experience needed. Every week, you'll find fresh tutorials on social media, online earning, mobile fixes, and cybersecurity, made just for beginners. So, hit that subscribe button and join the tech journey with Technical King. Let's grow together. Don't miss out, new tutorials every week.